In this video, you're going to see a few different ways that you can open files and templates in Excel, and we'll also have a look at how you can easily close files. When you open up Excel, you'll either be taken to a blank workbook like this, or you'll be taken to what's called the Start screen. If you're taken to a blank workbook, to get to the Start screen, you just need to click on File in the top left corner. Now that you're on the Start screen, you have various options for opening or creating Excel files. Let's take a look at the Home tab first. And the first option here is to click on the blank workbook icon to open up a brand new, completely blank Excel file. The next option on the Home tab of the Start screen is down here, where there's tabs for recent files, pinned files, and shared files. To open a file from one of those tabs, you just need to click on the file name and it will open up. Now let's go back to the Start screen and click on the New tab. On this tab, you get similar options to the Home tab. So once again, you can click on the blank workbook icon if you want to open up a brand new, completely blank workbook. Now let's take a look at the Open tab. Just like the Home tab, you can choose from recent files that you've opened, or files that are shared with you, but you can also open files from OneDrive or from the device that you're using, such as a PC or laptop. If you click on Browse, you can search for files you've saved on your device and click on a file to open it up in Excel. So that's a few different ways you can create or open files in Excel. If you want to close the file you're working on, all you need to do is click on the cross in the top right corner of your Excel screen, and that particular file will close. Now let's have a look at how to open Excel templates. If we go back to the Home tab on the Start screen, you should see some templates at the top that you can choose from. You can either click on one of those templates to open it, or you can click on More Templates to search through all of the templates that are available from Microsoft Excel. So let's say you want to open this personal monthly budget template. All you need to do is click on the icon for that template, then click on Create in the pop-up box. The template will then download, ready for you to use. And just like before, if you want to close the file, simply click on the cross in the top right corner of your Excel screen. So that's how you can create, open, and close files and templates in Excel.